How to play Unturned with friends. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can play Unturned with your friends. So first of all, just move to your Stream library and right click on the Unturned game. Then go to the properties and right click on the local files tab, and after that just click on browse local files. Then the installation folder will open, and after that just create a shortcut and rename the file unturned server.exe to remember it with ease. And on the shortcut file, right click on the properties. In the target location, place quotation mark if you are not there already, and after that it should look like this, but it depends on your installation folder. And after that just run the shortcut, and this will create the folder server. And after it has opened, close the command prompt window, and after that just open the command file by double clicking on it, and then click on the save at the file on the top menu bar. And after that just restart your server and then connect to the server you have just created after returning to the game. For you to connect, just click on play. The server then be on lane. The server will show, then you can connect to. After you have created your server for your friends to join, copy the IP address of the host, run evolve, then invite them. And this is how you will be able to play Unturned with your friends. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.